Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through how to disable those unread chat reminder notifications for Snapchat on your Android device. If you're tired of constant reminders about unopened chats, these quick steps will help you turn them off for good. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the main Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for your device and its installed applications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your Android phone. From here, find and select Snapchat. You might need to scroll a bit if you have a lot of apps, but once you see it, tap on it to open its settings page. Next, tap on Notifications. This will take you to a menu that controls what kinds of alerts Snapchat can send you. On this page, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. This breaks down Snapchat notifications into different groups, so you can fine-tune them individually without turning everything off. Tap on Notification Categories to continue. Scroll until you find the section labeled Other Messaging. Under this, you should see an option for unread chat reminders. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you're in the detailed settings for unread chat reminders. Here, tap on Lock Screen. A small menu will appear with several options for how these notifications show up on your lock screen. Choose Don't Show Notifications. Once you've selected this, unread chat reminder, notifications will no longer appear on your lock screen, and you can enjoy Snapchat without that extra nudge to read old messages. That's it. Just a few quick adjustments in your phone's settings, and you're free from those constant reminders. If this guide helped you, don't forget to explore other notification settings to make your Snapchat alerts exactly how you want them.